With gardenCAD you can just start to draw. I've started the program here. I've done nothing other than I'm just simply looking at the interface. The interface consists of a whole series of drop-down menus. So if I wanted to draw a line, I'd pick the draw drop-down, I'd pick line, and I'd simply click. And as I drag away, you can see I'm about to draw a line that's horizontal, or indeed a line at 45 degrees. That yellow tracking device is very, very useful. Let's imagine that we were dealing with the rear of say a terrace house, and the depth of the rear garden was 17.2 metres. In the building trade, and I'm in Australia, everything works in millimetres, so I'd type 17,200, and then I'd hit the enter key, and my line goes way out to the right because I was zoomed in. You can right click, and that finishes the operation. So I've drawn a line 17.2 meters long. If I now right click, one of the options is to zoom extents, and then I'll use the wheel of the mouse and I'll roll out, and then I'll pan down. So now I have the boundary of the house. So let's go draw line again, and what I want to do is to latch onto the end of that line. You notice as I get near the end of the line, a yellow flyover appears. So now I want to draw a line up in this direction. You might notice that as we hold that tracking device, it's clicking, it being the cursor is jumping in steps of 100 units. So I want to go 7 meters across. Now I could type the 7 meters, but I could do what I've done there, just let it hover over the 7 meters and hit the enter key, and nothing happened, did it? Let's try that again. Draw, I didn't hit the enter key. Line, sorry, and now it says line, specify first point there and swing over. Will type my 7,000. I'm sure you'll manage the other instance, and our line goes in. Now I want to come back in this direction, 17,200, hit the enter key again, come down in this direction. I don't even need to type the 7,000, I can just left click with my mouse, and there the boundary of the site has been drawn. So you could go information, distance, you could check the distance, the diagonal distance across the block. It says 18.569 meters, or 18,569.868. So it's a very accurate model of the rear of what might, for the sake of argument, be a terrace house.